We're embracing the citrus season and winter with this amazing warm citrus sorghum salad. And get this, it comes in at under 50 Rand per portion. Yes, so let's get cooking. The first thing I'm going to start off with is our sorghum. It takes the longest to cook. It's going to cook for about an hour, but you're going to get in the pot and you're going to go on with everything else. You're not even going to notice that hour. The first ingredient in our dressing is apricot jam. The apricot jam needs to be melted slightly just to emulsify with all the other ingredients. So we're going to get into a bowl and into the microwave for about 30 seconds. You're going to get in the pot and you're going to go on with everything else. You're not even going to notice that hour. Now to the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until it gets nice and charry and soft. And in the last few minutes, we're going to add some feta, and that's going to become super delicious, slightly malty, so much flavor. The sorghum is cooked, and very important, while it's still warm and steaming, we're going to season it with salt and the remainder of our dressing. And you want to do it while it's still warm so it can suck up all the flavor of the dressing and the seasoning. We've got that citrus flavor that's cooked with the sorghum and with the vegetables, but I want bright citrus flavor. That's why we're adding our Clement Golds now. Now that is a winter salad.